Shorthand English Speed Beginner at 40 words per minute. Dictation is given to you by R. Rajagopalan. The best method to practice is watch this video 2 or 3 times, then cover the English portion of the page and then read the shorthand matter 6 times. Then copy from shorthand to shorthand in your practice notebook 6 times and then write the audio dictation 6 times. This method of practice will definitely help you to improve your performance. Shall I start the speed now?
November 1987, code number 545. Get ready. Start. Dear Sir, this is with reference to your inquiry regarding the latest price list and catalogue of our products. You may be aware of the increase in the freight charges and the rise in the cost of raw materials. Since we are dealing in glassware, we always face the problem of compensating the broken articles. During the last year, our factory was also closed for a temporary period of 4 months due to a serious crisis. That also resulted in a reduction of turnover during the last year. So, we are compelled to increase cost of all our products by 10%. As regards marketing of our new commodity, we request you to take all possible efforts. You can claim advertisement and administration charges from us by sending a bill to the tune of not exceeding 3,000 rupees for 3 months. We always keep in memory your earnest support so far extended to us in the improvement of our business. We hope to receive your continued support and cooperation in all our future endeavors as desired by you. We are forwarding our latest price list and catalog. Yours faithfully. Stop.